Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to delete your bitcoin.com account directly from the app. Quick and simple, so let's get started. Before you delete your account, make sure to back up your 12-word recovery phrase. Without it, you will lose permanent access to any funds in your wallet. Start by opening your bitcoin.com wallet app on your phone. Now tap on three dots more icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap your account name or email address to open your account settings. Look for delete account option and tap on it. You will be asked to confirm the action. Tap continue to permanently delete your account. Once confirmed, you will be logged out and your bitcoin.com account will be deleted. You can now uninstall the app and clear your device's app storage for extra security. And that's how to delete your bitcoin.com account. If this video helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more simple crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.